Hello. Well, today I am going to make spaghetti with my new YoFit microwave pasta cooker. I put these on a black towel so you could see what they really look like and what they say. This is your cooker. This is your lid. That's your strainer. This is where you measure your spaghetti. You can cook all kinds of pasta. I'm just going to use the basic spaghetti. I'm not really much of a chef, so I keep it simple. I am going to have to set it down from time to time or pause it because I can't hold my phone while I'm doing it, but hopefully you'll get the gist of everything. Read the instructions. I'm going to measure my spaghetti here in just a moment. I'm going to use the smallest opening, and then I'm going to put it on this bottom line. Then I'm going to cook it. I believe it said spaghetti small, mine's thin, 11 to 12 minutes. So I'll pause it during the cooking time and then we'll start again. Alright, I'm going to set it down while I measure. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see very well, but I'm going to get a handful. Not too much. I only need one serving. See how this works out. Hopefully you can see this. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's what I'm going to go with. Put that in there. It says use cold water. I think you can see that. Cold water to the bottom line. Just don't put too much in there. It did say to test it one time. Yeah, where's the line? Yeah, I think I got it. I think I have it pretty close to the bottom line. Maybe a smidge more, just tiny bit. Yeah, maybe tiny more than that. That should probably do it. So, it says to cook it without the lid. So, and I have a small microwave. I don't know if that's going to make a lot of difference, but it fits. Thank goodness. I am going to put it on 12 minutes. Whoops. Well, we'll just keep adding it. I don't normally cook things that long. I think I'll leave it right there. 11 and a half. I'm going to pause while it cooks. Okay, we're back at it again. I will say I decided to add another 30 seconds because I have such a low watt microwave. I figured I needed the extra time. Now it says once it's done, you take the lid and place it on it, and then using both handles, I'm going to try to do this one-handed. I think I can. Remove it and then drain it. Now I know I can't drain it, so I'm going to set this up here and hope you can still see. Hopefully you can see I'm straining it. Let's just drain it and then shake it. Alright. Here we go. Gonna test it. Ow, ow, ow. Hot. Very good. I think it came out perfect. Wow. I really wasn't expecting that. Don't know if you can see that, but to me that's perfect. They say the intent is, where did it say it? Cooking times are for all al dente texture pasta. It means it's cooked as not to be so soft, firm to the bite. If you prefer them softer, cook it for an additional minute. Well, to me, it's perfect. I love it. Tastes good. I'm kind of surprised. I really wasn't expecting it to be this good. So, you want to try microwaving your pasta? And you may have to adjust your times for your microwave, but this is pretty good. I will be using it again and again.